Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? And we are at part 2 of the underground parking garage catastrophe, which will be in another video that you have already watched, where the rear torsion spring was in the back here, which it had no business being in the beginning. And you could see those mollies coming out of the concrete. That's where the bracket was to come down and mount the springs, like back here. Well, those are now gone. So we got rid of those, and excuse me, I had to get a drink here on my thermos. Very thirsty. Put the torsion springs up in the front. I'll show you that. There's the cable. You had to cut a good amount off of that top dub so the cable would ride behind it. And you could see we got right underneath the opener. Big whopping springs. And here's the other cable, and you could see we cut a good portion off of this top dub. I still gotta notch this off. I just saw that. I'll cut that off, and because I have OCD, and that will not work with me. But oh, and looky here. Oh, we have a shiny aluminum retainer that goes on that way. Wait a minute. Is that the door that was in here before? Negative. We put in a door link, and I'm gonna have a shout out to my buddy, I believe he's in Michigan, First Choice. He puts in door links, and he's checked out my channel, so this is a tribute to you. I'm gonna pull the knife out of my stop button here, and we'll show you exactly. You can see how absolutely smooth and quiet this is now that there's actual double end stiles on here like they're supposed to be. Now, the first video you saw, there were single end stiles, and this door was a complete disaster. It was so bad that we had to through bolt, or somebody, I think it might have been one of my guys, through bolted it because it was just gone. The sections were absolutely destroyed, decimated, gone. Adios, bye-bye, whack, good night, Irene, the whole 10 yards. So the door link has actually got a thicker gauge steel than the CHI. Don't know the exact, but I would guess it's 26-26, not 26-27, or it's 25-27. One or the other, I don't quite remember, but I know it is a little bit thicker of a steel than the CHI. And you can see we reused 2 of the hinges on one side and then just put in some reconditioned or hinges we pulled off other jobs, all 11 gauge. And when you do the 3-inch track, like what's in there, you start with the 3s, not 2s or 1s. So it goes 3, 4, 5, etc., etc. And then we got the low headroom up here. Probably going to reuse that bracket. It's on there. Part 3 will be the new HCT DC motor on there, and that's going to be gone, and then this thing's going to be super quiet. Right now it's night and day difference. All 11 gauge hinges that were on there before, but they just pretty much failed and put in just single end stiles on this. And underground parking garage doors, that's a huge no-no. Humongous no-no. You just don't do that. So we got all dual end stiles here on the door link 2-inch polystyrene, and it's not just the plate either. There is actual holes, so it is a true dual end style where the steel does go all the way up, and they put it all the way across this whole plate. But this is the correct way to do this. I have not adjusted the down yet, and you can see there's a little gap there, but that will go bye-bye too. And if we can't get it away with the gap, we'll just put in a little bit thicker of a rubber. It's not a big deal. But there it is, 18 by 7 with the torsion in front the way it's supposed to be. And yes, I know it's a little high on the one side. We're going to adjust that too when we do the opener, and we're going to put on different drums. These are the standard, I believe, 5-inch. We're going to put on the wider ones that'll go up to 12 or 14 to accommodate the 5/32 cable, and that will be better. And my voice is hoarse right now because I was yelling at the TV last night. Because I was watching some stuff. We're just going crazy last night at the house, and we're just yelling and screaming, having a good time. So that's why my voice is kind of crackly. But anyway, we widened the tracks here a little bit. Got the photo eyes hooked up nice, dual photo eyes here. Got the 3-button moved over a smidge, so we just widened the tracks out just a smidge. I got to take that plug off. One of my guys was here before me. He got the panels down, so we used that and a pair of ice grips to back wind the 2 springs, so we didn't have enough to unwind everything, which was real smart. So I'm going to open up, and I'm going to show you something else we do. This is an awesome, innovative trick you're going to love. You can see how absolutely smooth and quiet this is, and that chain was hanging big time. I'll show you something here. I'm going to put my knife in there to hold the stop button. So this is the new innovative trick for sagging chains and to quiet them down if you want to get a little bit of slack out. Now, excuse me, on the APTs, you can see all this insulation too. The stuff's been everywhere. Again, I failed. You can see all the insulation on the floor there. I failed to wear a mask here again. The first time I was gagging so bad, I was like gagging for like another day and a half. This stinking insulation is, they sprayed it on everywhere. And when you just knock a little bit of it, it just, these little particles go everywhere. I've been coughing like a goofball here. Believe you me, I'll be wearing a mask next time. Anyway, on the APT, those are the 2 nuts you gotta loosen up. And you can see usually it's a hard place to get to, so you can't get to them because that's the way the chain gets adjusted, because of the trolley system is here now. And this doesn't come off. This stays on the rail. So that's where you adjust the chain. You don't adjust it there anymore. Well, this chain was a little loose. Don't ask me why I'm putting my glove on, but I am. That chain was a little loose, and I did not want it slapping on my brand new, beautiful door. So how do we get that chain up? Well, dun, da, 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 you drill 2 holes in the back, here and there, and you put in a front idler up as high as you think it needs to be, and voila, chain adjusted, nice and tight. You can see this is an original APT. You can see in the back there, there's the extra bearing there and there. I don't know why they don't put those in the front here either, but they don't. But believe you me, we do when we put these in now. And we use a galvanized nickel plate chain. But the opener that's going in here is the tank. So that's going to come, that's going to be part 3 of this video. So right now I'm just going to pull this. I'm going to show you the beautiness of this. Super smooth and quiet. Okay. Oh, get off. Get ickiness off my door. There's a couple handprints. I'm going to fix that. You can see over there though, that's a raised panel. I'll bring you over here real quick and I'll show you. That's the doors that were in here. Raised panel, and that just looks so much better. I'm sorry, that just looks awesome. Minus the handprints, of course, and we're gonna get that done, but that's it. Long panel, sandstone, that just looks a million times better. I love the door link, old school Ankmar raised panel design. I think it's got a little bit of finesse to it, unlike some of the other companies out there, but that's just my opinion. I think it looks awesome. Sandstone, 18 by 7 by Innovative. And this is the part 2 of the fixing the disastrous underground parking garage door dilemma. So that's it. There's the next, that's the last building, and then the other building's on the other side of this building. So we'll go there next, and then that building last, and then when we're done with that one, we will start on this one with the HCT DC motor. Hope I'm calling it that right, but anyway, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking all the videos, and probably wait till the end of this week, and we're going to start the new opener giveaway. I've given everyone an extra week and a half to figure that out, so if you're subbed, you're subbed. If you're not, you're not, and that's the end of that. So thanks for watching my underground parking garage door video. All your garage door needs, Innovative Door, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, drop a like, drop a comment on this, drop a question. We'll help you out any way we can. Thank you, excuse me, for all my subscribers. People everywhere, thank you very much. Without you, we don't exist, so bless you all. Thanks for watching this video. And last but not least, because he is the king and he sits on the throne, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.